Ranganathan and several of our panelists have not yet spoken. I want to quickly go across to them. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, the question is this, that this entire episode, while it raises some serious questions about what transpired during the UPA regime, do you feel that there is also something that the NDA regime has to answer for? At the end of the day, we don't know the truth of this, and if there was information coming in from the Mauritius AG's office towards the CBI, should this detail not have been investigated way back as early as 2018?
Good evening, Madhav.
Look, in the latest version of Microsoft Word, if you right-click the word Congress, the first synonym that crops up is corruption. So the question is not that the Congress is corrupt or indulging in scam. Of course they are. I mean, the scam glut is such that even the Congress leaders get confused. Which Congress leader perpetrated which scam? Was Raja in National Herald? Was Rahul in Colgate? Was Chidambaram in 2G? The cup runneth over. No. The question is what synonym you get when you right-click the word BJP. Inaction, incompetence, collusion. That is the question, Madhav. So to be honest, I'm not bothered yet about the fact that the Rafale kickbacks transpired under the UPA. That isn't news. That's the norm. What I want to know is why no case was filed, no charge sheet submitted, no action taken when the CBI and the ED under the BJP government were informed of these kickbacks back in October 2018. Why was the Supreme Court not informed of this? That is the question. The question is, why does the BJP let off Congress every single time it has it by the collar, starting with Bofors, when Q was let off during the Vajpayee government? Ye sawal hai, Madhav. Sawal hai, why did the BJP demand arrest of Congressman Anand Singh, accused of 15 forest crime charges, but then made him the forest minister when he joined the BJP? Sawal hai, why did the BJP demand an ED raid on YS Chaudhary, accusing him of massive financial bungling and fraud of 5,500 crores, but then reneged on its demand because Mr. Chaudhary joined the BJP? Sawal hai, who in the BJP changed the Malaya notice from detained to informed, allowing him to flee? Sawal hai, why did the BJP demand arrest of B. Monserrat for child rape and burning down the police station, but then took back its demand when he joined the BJP? Sawal hai, why did the BJP demand a CBI inquiry and arrest of Roy Naik for drug trafficking, but then kept quiet when he joined the BJP? Sawal hai, why did the BJP demand an FIR against Kripa Shankar Singh for launching a book that claimed 2611 was RSS conspiracy, but then went back on his demand when he joined the BJP? Sawal hai, why did the BJP amend the FCRA Act retrospectively when the High Court had convicted both the Congress and the BJP in the now infamous FCRA violations case? Madhav, just 20 seconds. सवाल है ये माधव, सवाल पब्लिक ट्रस्ट का है, सवाल है कि राइट क्लिक करके जनता को क्या मिलेगा, and that is why I am afraid the Congress is going to be brazen this out. They know nothing is going to happen to them, and worse come to worse, Rahul Gandhi will join the BJP in any case. He is working for the BJP. The incontrovertible fact, Madhav, is that in this country you can fool all of the people all of the time.
Okay. This matter being inquired, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, is a very pertinent question coming in from Suman C. Raman. But there are other reports coming in that this gentleman was providing information even post 2014. Now that is a very, very serious allegation. If he was being paid even post 2014, then that raises serious questions as to where the information was coming from. Was there a leak in Mr. Manohar Parikar's regime as the defense minister? Dr. Trivedi.
What Suman C. Ramanji is saying is correct. Definitely, there has to be some investigation, and I think how and when the investigation or what the process is going on, whether pre-investigation or investigation, it is the investigating agency or anybody who is authorized in that department from the government can say. As far as our intent is concerned, obviously, if something of this sort of corruption has happened, investigation has to be there. And we are hopeful that definitely not only the investigation will be there, the culprits will be taken to the task. As far as the leakage after 2014 is concerned, obviously this will also be investigation, maybe from the some lower side, from the officer side or anywhere from where this information was coming. When the investigation will go on, everything will be taken into cognizance.
All right. Anand Ranganathan as well as Abhijit Iyer Mitra's hands are going up. Dr. Ranganathan.
Very quickly. Yes, very quickly, Madhav. Just one almost a political question that has been confounding me since last night to my good friend Sudhanshu. Sudhanshu ji, aap jante hain, the fact is that the Supreme Court has okayed the deal that was struck by the BJP government with the French government. There is no question about that. अब मेरे दिमाग में ये आता है कि as you know, the run up to the 2019 election, Congress was clutching at every smallest bit of controversy it could find as far as the Rafale deal was concerned. You know it. Rahul Gandhi personally held 8 conferences, said BJP is corrupt. जब आपको, मेरा सवाल ये है, जब आपको 2018 अक्टूबर में ये पता चला कि एक्चुअली करप्शन यूपीए के टाइम में हुआ था, you could have used that against the UPA and Rahul Gandhi. Now why didn't you use it before 2019 election? या तो सीबीआई ने आपको बताया नहीं, मोदी जी को बताया नहीं, और अगर बताया तो वो चीज छुपा के क्यों रखी?
Okay, many hands going up. Quick.